So let's start first to download our vectors. We will go to Freeback, search for torn paper. Make sure to choose only the vectors. And now you are good to go. You will find here a lot of images or vectors which are very amazing and that can make you things like this. As you see, these effects will make your content so great. So we have already downloaded what we need, but this one is for just like giving an example. So if you want to download this one, you will just click download, and here you will find the free download. And the download will start through your internet download manager or whatever the download manager you have, or even through the browser. That's all. You have to say which path and download. For the high quality images, you can go to pixels, for example. And in pixels, for example, we will search for maybe nomad lifestyle. You can find a lot of images, of course. Just search for the ones that you want. And there is an amazing tool here that if you have a color palette of orange or something like that, you just have to write what color you want here, and all the images will look like something that can fit with your website and that can fit with your color palette. So as you see, all the images here have something that we need. So even if we change it here, we just like we put nature or something. So I think that the filter here changed, and as you see, we still have the code and everything. Unlike that, we can have nature, high quality images like you see, and with the colors that we want. There is also another feature which is very good and very important too, which is the orientation. Actually, we need, most of the times we will need the horizontal one, which is the landscape mode. So as you see, the landscape mode will serve more as a background for our website. So also here you just like choose the image, and remember to first select the size that you want. Do not select size like that one, because you will not need this unless you will present your website on the cinema. So go for that one. That one is very cool and very suitable for our website as a background. If you need it for mobile phones only, then go for these things with a very little size than this one. But for us, we will download with this one, and we will say download selected size, and the other one, the download will appear here, and you will start to download your content. That's all for downloading the content from Pixels and from Freeback, and all the alternatives run the same way. Let's now go and see how we can manage these images.